Hello everyone, welcome to your heart reading, and let's start with the message. Okay, sending you love all the way from India. Bharat Namaste. Follow on Instagram SSHE LLSSA Shells Running, and the reading goes like this. So I asked, what's up? Something gonna shift here. The plates gonna shift, like, okay, and the plates, those are deep down underneath, and the person does feel when they're standing like as if like something just happened, like just shifted, that kind of energy. It's a sudden shake up here, okay? And it is also about someone you were not planning on, you were not thinking of talking, you're going to end up talking. Okay, now here you have two cards here. Two of Swords energy and Two of Cups energy. The one, you might not be in talking terms, or you might not be doing or initiating something. I feel like you people, you both are deciding on actual meeting, okay? And the one you were supposed to talk and you were not talking, they are going to end up calling you, okay? Now here you go, the Judgment, bottom energy. People are giving chances to one another for whatever reason. This may be some restoration. Okay, that's what thank you. Something will be restored that was like, that withered away, that felt as though it's not, kind of energy. Okay, so this is about one person who's not initiating anything, or maybe someone is at cross of like unsure, you know, unable to decide on this. But what exactly lies ahead, if this you want to know about the person, they have this energy of Two of Cups. They want to meet you, they want to know about you, they want to talk to you, they want to, you know, exchange cup. Even if some of you are at cross with, you know, something that you are not talking not in talking terms properly, but what are the hidden feelings, this is what they have. So you may not be going in the form of like talk possible sometimes. This is what they have. Okay, let's see. Judgment is a callback. Someone will end up calling you. Okay, this is for all, these are for all the signs, so in collection. So you have Queen of Cups energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. I feel like this person is in deep thoughts about how to contact you, how to make a call, because someone is feeling emotional here. Let's see what's up. Someone is thinking of how to make or approach you, or how to make a move, basically simple words. But with the Knight of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, I also feel this is a pickup energy. This is going to happen in the coming time. They are planning on, they're thinking about how to. Something is waiting on hold, okay? Maybe approval, so maybe work related approval or approval of someone. Okay, when can we talk? They are approaching you with something genuine and something that is going to be good for both of you if it is love related stuff. Because we are doing heart reading, so heart reading can go for love. Oh my god, love. Oh my god, love. Six of Wands energy. This move, whatever move is going to be, will be successful for both of you. I also feel like even if you people are not talking right now, or having less communication, or just like on and off kind of energy, like unsure zone or something like that, oh no, I'm not going to do it kind of, is also leading you certain kind of it's also leading to certain kind of evolving, like updating something. You people are updating individually, yes, but one another as well. Someone is interested in knowing what is the updated version of you. Ooh. You people are level up, ascending, basically. That should be the word, okay? So with the Lovers, Gemini does come, but with the Lovers, you people are whatever the connection. You are the twin flame, soulmate, whatever the connection, okay? That's why I put in my readings connection as well, because sometimes we are in the phase of knowing what connection exactly it is, okay? Though we know, okay, there's a pull, there's alignment, or you know, that kind of energy, but here, this person will make a move towards you, or you both are going to make move towards one another. It is about being open about each other's feelings. It's just not about, you know, giving cup or something. It is about, look, I'm here. So this is high vibe union. And Judgment, look at the Judgment card. This is profound. This is about, okay, I heard the word giving back. So it's someone gonna give back their heart, or give back what they feel for you, okay? Nine of Wands energy. Someone over here is doubtful, yes, of course, but someone is not giving up on this. Feeling wounded but not giving up. I just shared the thought, not on Insta, I feel like on my some personal platform. I shared that, you know, that was not exactly the thought I do remember, but it was like, giving up is not an option. Okay, so this is what the thing is. This person is doubtful, this person having doubts of like how to approach kind of energy. Okay, so we're going to figure out from Morgan here, what is the matter with you, honey? Definitely people are coming in for exchange of notes, giving what is yours. Okay, so on Two of Swords. You people are at cross, but you are connected. You people are at cross, but you are connected. And you have on Two of Swords, Six of Cups energy. So this is there. It's always there. It is the connection. It may be some long time connection. Maybe you know this person from childhood. Maybe this is a long time connection, kind of like 5 years, 6 years, a decade is there. Okay. So number 6 is resurgence, 0606 recording time. However, this is about the time to renovate something. You people are knowing one another, and this resurgence is going to happen in the coming time. There is going to be this move in this love matter. What is on Knight of Pentacles? We still have a peekaboo in future. One card. Okay. Let's see on Knight of Pentacles. What's on Knight of Pentacles? Slow and steady goes a long way than fast. Okay, remember that. Remember that they are trying to understand. They are going to make a move. Ooh, I just said they're trying to understand. They're going to make a move. Whoever this person is. The Chariot is a Cancerian. With the Knight of Pentacles, they are making up their mind. They're deciding, you're deciding, and then they're going to pull the strings in order to run this. So they want to win the race. They just don't want to, fast and forward and blah, blah, blah. They don't want things fast, and even if goes vice versa. So this is what they're thinking. They are going to make a move regarding their cup. They're going to be more expressive in the coming time. And let's see what is that doubt in this person's eyes. Nine of Wands energy. What is the matter? Oh. It's so clear reading, though. So clear. You people are connected. Okay, we are not talking. It doesn't matter because you are at cross, and then ultimately you're going to be together. You're going to pick up from where you left, and then you're going to be fresh starting something. And this is going to be the Chariot. And Chariot is major, and major is something that's going to come. Remember that. Look. Look at the vibe. So regardless, it is for sign is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. The vibe is all about, they are like deep in thoughts. They're doubtful. They're trying to figure out that they're not giving up. They never gave up kind of energy, or the love is not giving up. You're both of your love, okay? They hold this cup for you. They're looking at this. They're visioning this. Maybe at cross, they might be having thoughts of like why you're not talking, but they know that resurgence will be happening. On the Lovers, let's see on the Lovers. Someone gonna hold the situation soon. Okay, on the Lovers. So this may be a crisscross. Three of Swords is someone who is undecisive, or maybe feeling like you betrayed me, or maybe feeling like is it a breakup, or maybe feeling like is it a pause, or maybe someone is feeling confused. Is there anyone? Maybe this person is feeling, is there anyone in your life? However, this can go vice versa. But someone may be feeling, is there anyone? Maybe she is, maybe he is. Okay, Three of Swords is someone is having dark clouds. They're dreaming of having this new reunion. But again, with the Lovers, this is challenging. To be honest, when true lovers are meant to come together, the words we call it as 0909 recording time, twin flame kind of energy, the pull challenges are meant to come. With the Three of Swords especially, the breaks will be happening, the discontinuation will be happening, the hearts will be breaking, the tears will be dropping down, okay? Okay, so let's see what is a peekaboo in the future. Because we are yet not out with one specific card. I said so. Okay, no matter what the push and pull between you both, Judgment is the callback. Judgment is now or in the future, the time will be coming when you people are going to get into the real talk. I heard real talk, and whatever is in the demand or need to be given back, you're going to give back. Okay, so the hearts will be exchanged here, and this is going to be hear me out kind of energy. This maybe the chances will be given to one another. It is about the talk. Okay, so I also have one question on judgment. Wow, the one who walked away will return to make peace with you, or you both will walk towards one another in order to make peace with one another with the temperance. Look at the two of swords. The peace in conversation is coming in the coming time. This may be even this knight of swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. Someone is feeling wounded here. Okay, it's all red, or maybe someone is on red alert, like I don't want, and walked away kind of energy, or something was rude and rash done. But you have on judgment the star, major on major. Some major changes, directional approach will be changing. This may be an Aquarius listening or dealing. Okay, this is going to be filling up each other's life with emotions again. This person is both fire. Now I'm not saying about the sign, though it may be, but this person is both fire and cool at the same time. So this is about possible temperament. However, this is the star and the heart written in stars basically. So the directional approach. This is about you're going to find home with the person. Figuring out, okay? Let's see. What's coming in the future? There's so many. What should I do? First card, death, change, and heavy change is happening in life. Transition, the endings and the beginnings will be happening. But first, there's going to be challenging effects on this, to be honest. People are going to go in this malade, and they might be going in this malade, okay? So basically, we are coming from the past to the present kind of energy. But all in all, right now, because three cards fell together, so basically maybe they're trying to say whatever the malade, whatever the ending feels, though it's not the thing exactly. Okay, so you need to change this, all whatever is coming here. With the thief, someone stole your heart kind of energy, or it feels though that I'm feeling empty. Someone is feeling empty, and that's why it's malade. Okay, the one is in size as well, or you might be inside. Let's see in the picture. Well, let's see the cards coming now. By and by. Okay, so here you go. Someone is trying to take control of the situation, or they are going to handle the situation, okay, regardless, going through this death, transition, malady and all that stuff. Okay, it ended kind of. I'm feeling like hurt here, and I'm not feeling well. Someone is not feeling well, okay, but this is something that is a thief energy, and the thief over here is possible someone is feeling betrayed in some or the other way, but also it is that someone stole my heart kind of energy. And the Lord is someone who is very specific, someone who is very confident in the now, or someone is trying to hold on to the situation in order to bring back the conversation possible. Now, you also have the future cards. Let's see. Whoa. So your future cards is your reunion. You also have reunion. You also have lovers and the child. There's going to be birth of something. With this reunion, someone is going to be so sure. Okay, you may be having child with the person if it goes that way. But if it is something connected with the whatever is undecisive right now, this is reunion. Someone gonna hold your hand. Someone gonna tell you that I want to be with you. This is what I want. This is what the move I want. This is what I'm thinking, and I'm thinking of long term. The child. This may be someone who is going to marry you. Even you're about to get married to the person. You may get the proposal of marriage. This is also the birth. Okay, birth, inner knowing, and giving chance to one another in order to have even family planning in the future. Okay, if you're not married yet, but this is about long term something. Okay, they're sad and they're saying like, you stole my heart. I want to be with you. Child may be real childbirth as well. Okay, and this is bringing both of you close because you are having new chapter of your life. Take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.